Then clerical test number 14 reasoning session. Some cars were parked in the parking lot 66 to 68 directions. Some cars were parked in the parking lot in a different directions. Car C was parked 35 meters east of car A. Car C was 35 meters of car A, east of car A. Car M is 26 south of car C. Car M is 26 meters south of car C. Car R is parked 50 meters north of U. You don't know that R and U. M is parked 40 meters east of U. M is 40 meters east of U. There is only chance of U. This is already 35 and again one more 5. Then R is parked 50 meters north of U. So R is parked 50 meters north of U. This is 26. I want more extra. ఎంత కావాలి 24 కావాలి ఏంటిది కార్ R. Then D is parked 5 meters east of R. So D is parked 5 meters east of R. These 5 is equal. Then car Z is parked 10 meters south of D. So Z is 10 meters south of this. So this is arrangement. There is the arrangement. What is the between Z and A distance? What is that ma? 14 meters. Okay. Now question number 66. What is the shortest distance between Z and A? What is that? 14 meters. Option A is right answer. Next question. In which direction is car D with respect to M? What is the direction of D with respect to M? This is north. This is west. What is that? Northwest. So option C. Option C is right. Car C is parked in some direction with respect to D, as in same way car A is parked with respect to R. So car C with respect to D. Car C with respect to D is southeast of D. Southeast of D. As A is southeast of R only. So A is southeast of R only chances. So car R. So option C is the right answer. Clear amma? Next one. Ceylon's argument 69 to 70. Only few houses are floors. Some part of houses not a floors. All floors are buildings. All buildings are shops here. Then some shops are not building. This is shop, this is building. They all are positive. They are asking negative, not follows. Next, all shops are houses is a possibility. This is shop, this is house. Yes, na. All shops are house is a possibility. House is there is no section for house. Free. So yes, possibility. Option A. Only 2 follows. Next one. Only few donuts are cupcakes. Some part of donut is not a cupcake. All cupcakes are cakes. This is cup. Some cakes are fruit cakes. All cakes are donuts. This is cake. This is donut. All is not at all possible. Some cupcakes are fruit cake. This is cupcake. This is cupcake. This is fruit cake. Not follows. Okay, so neither one, not two, none follows. Option E. During the bonding session of IPL team, all the members are made to sit around one big circle facing center. So center circle under. So some members, you don't know some members, how many members? R is sitting 7th right of D. So R is sitting 7th right of D. D is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. R is here. D is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. R is here. Then F is sitting 4th right of C. C is 4th right low. F is here. F is sitting 4th right of C. There 3 persons sit between F and R. 3 persons between F and R. You don't know left or right of R. Take it as left. 1, 2, 3 persons F is here. 1, 2, 3 persons F is here. 3 persons between F and R. Now F is 4th right of C. There is only chance of C is here. If there is a C only here, 1, 2, 3, 4th right here. Yes or no? So this case is not possible, and eliminate this case and immediately change it to first possibility. 1, 2, 3. F is here, and F is the 4th right of C. 1, 2, 3 members. There is only chances of C. Yes or no? Then again only chance of C. Both are same up to now. Now 8% sit between C and J. J is not in the neighbor of R. C and J there are 8%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8% J. They are telling not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8% J. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8%. 8 or 7 8 kada? So this is a J. And J is not neighbor of R. I want one more person. At least case. ఓకే దీన్ని ఆపండి, దీన్ని చేద్దాము, రాకపోతే ఇక్కడికి వద్దాము. ఈ రెండు సేమ్ కాబట్టి ఎల్ ఈ సిట్టింగ్ సిక్స్త్ రైట్ ఆఫ్ జే. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ఎల్ ఈ సిట్టింగ్ సిక్స్త్ రైట్ ఆఫ్ జే. ఎం ఈ సిట్టింగ్ నైన్త్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్. సో ఎం ఈ సిట్టింగ్ నైన్త్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్ అంటే ఎల్కి ఎంకి ఎంతమంది ఉండాలమ్మా? 8 మెంబర్స్ ఉండాలి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 మెంబర్స్. ఎం ఇక్కడ అవ్వచ్చు లేదా ఇంకొక పర్సన్ తీసుకోవచ్చు మనం ఎక్స్ట్రా. వెయిట్. So 6% sit between M and R. Then Y is one of those 6%. M and R కి 6% ఉందంట. మరి ఇక్కడ M వస్తే 6% ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు కాబట్టి సో 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8%. దర్ ఇస్ ఎవరు M. M and R కి ఎంతమంది ఉండాలంట? 6%. సో 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6%. Now Y is one of those 6%. మరి ఈ 6% Y ఎక్కడ తెలుసా? తెలియదు. సో మేబీ 6%. ఓకే. సో దట్స్ అరేంజ్మెంట్. హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్ టోటల్? సో ఇది 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 members. That's it. Okay. Now move on to questions. How many persons in the team? 27. Option D. Then what is the position of L with respect to D? What is the position of with respect to D? First, second, third, fourth to the left. Fourth to the left. Option A is right answer. The next, if there is only one person sit between R and Y, so Y is exactly here only. Then how many people sit between J and Y from right of Y? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members. Okay. So option B is right answer. Option B. What is the position of J with respect to R? What is the position of J with respect to R? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th to the right. 10th right లేకపోతే లెఫ్ట్ చూసుకోండి. ఇంకా 10th right ఉందా? Yes. Option C is the right answer. Next, while going in the clockwise direction from D, so this is only clockwise direction, how many people are sitting between D and C? How many people? 0, none. So option E is the right answer. Option E. Then if it is possible to make a meaningful word, first, second, fifth, seventh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. L-A-H-E. How many? H-E-A-L, heel. H-A-L-E, hail. How many meaningful words? 2 meaningful words. Then if no meaningful word can be made, X is answer. If more than one meaningful word, Y is answer. So option E is the right answer. Option E is the right answer. Then code and decoding 77 to 79. Then what is the code for shining? There is a shining is here. Third and fourth line is common for shining. Third and fourth line which is common? ME is common. The same time NG also common. Then there is no NG and there is no ME also. Either NG or ME. Otherwise cannot be determined. So there is a A and there is a B. If there is an option E, A or B, go with an option. Otherwise cannot be determined. Yes, cannot be determined. Next, what is the code for sum? Here is a sum. The only first line is a sum. అంటే మన కోడ్ కూడా ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఉండాలి, ఇంకెక్కడ ఉండకూడదు. The C is here, not possible. And E is here, not possible. And O is here, not possible. Then what is the answer? EO. So option A. What is the code for ST and ST? What is the ST? There is ST. ST only chance for fourth line. Then R is here, not possible. Team is here, not possible. Shining is here, not possible. Best. So this is also best, this is also best, this is also best. And option C cannot be the answer. So one must be best. And I want one more person. Who is that? SE. So SE is here and SE is here. What's the common word in the first and second line? Persons only common. R is common, but R also here also, and R here also. So R is not the code. So persons only common. So best person is option D is right answer. Option D. The next 6 persons here, 80 to 84 one person. The persons are Arun, then Arav, be careful about names, ma. Then Ashu, then Ali, then Aman, then Ajay. Okay. Now live in 6 different cities. So each of persons have different ages. Okay. Cities and ages. Ali who lives Delhi. So Ali lives Delhi is here. Is 8 years older than Aman. So Aman plus 8 is equal to Ali. మా ఇచ్చిన ఏజెస్లో 8 years గ్యాప్ దేని గురించి చెప్పు. 18 + 8 ఎంత మాట్లాడాలి? ఉందా? ఉంది. 21 + 8 ఎంత? ఉందా? ఉంది. 26 + 8 ఎంత? ఉందా? లేదు. 29 + 8 ఎంత? ఉందా? ఉంది. అంటే 18, 26, 21, 29, 29, 37. ఓకే. నా ఉన్నాయి ఎంత అసలు? 18, 21, 26, 29, 33, 37. ఓకే అమ్మా. నా who lives in Pune? Aman. So Aman lives in Pune. Difference between the ages of Aman and Arav is 3 years. If Aman 18 తీసుకుంటే 18 + 3 21 ఉంది. If Aman 21 తీసుకుంటే 3 years 18 కూడా ఉంది. Then 26 years 29 కూడా ఉంది. Then Aman and Arav. So Aman and Arav difference is 3 years. Next. Age of Arun who lives in Chennai. So Arun lives in Chennai. Arun lives in Chennai is even number. So age of Arun is even number means 18, 26, only chances. Okay. So Arun is 18 or 26. Just wait for that. Person who lives in Nagpur is older than person who lives in Mumbai. So Nagpur is older than Mumbai. Ages low. Arav does not live in Mumbai. So Arav అయితే ముంబై కాదని చెప్తున్నాడు. The next Ashu who does not live in Kolkata. వీడు కోల్కతా కూడా కాదని చెప్తున్నాడు. Then is older than Ajay. So Ashu is older than Ajay అని చెప్పాడు. Okay. The person who lives in Kolkata is not the youngest person. అంటే కోల్కతాలో 18 రాకూడదని చెప్తున్నాడు. So Kolkata is not the youngest person. Okay. Now, so Aman and Arav 3 years అని చెప్పాడు. Okay, let us take it as Aman is 18. Aman is 18. What is the other chances? 26. Doubt case. Aman is what? 18. If there is Aman 18, Ali is what? 26. If there is Aman is 18, Aman and Arav is 3 years difference. 18 plus 3, 21 only chances. What is the Arav? 21. Okay. Then who is the even number? ఇక్కడ even number వచ్చేసింది కదా. Next, Ashu is more than Ajay. So remaining 2 ages is here. What are the 2 ages? 33 and 37. Ashu is more than Ajay. So there is a 37, there is a 33. And Nagpur is older than Mumbai. ఇక్కడ ముంబై వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. The Nagpur ముంబై ఇక్కడ రావాలి. నాగ్పూర్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ కూడా ఉంది. అండ్ కోల్కతా ఇక్కడ రాదన్నాడు. మేబీ ఛాన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోల్కతా, మేబీ ఛాన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోల్కతా. ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు. సో మెనీ పాసిబిలిటీస్. సో దిస్ కేస్ ఇస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. సో Aman is not at all chance of 18. If Aman taken as 21, Aman is 21, what is that? Ali 29. If Aman is 21, age difference is 3 years of 21 and Arav is 24 ఉందా? లేదు. బట్ 18 ఉంది కదా? ఉంది. So Arav is what? 18. Then Then Arun is 26 because of even number. Then Ashu is more than Ajay. So Ashu is more than means 37 and 33. Then Kolkata is not the chance of 18. So this is also not a Kolkata. This is Kolkata, this is Kolkata. Only chance of Kolkata. Nagpur is older than Mumbai. This is Nagpur and this is Mumbai. Chance unda? లేదు, Mumbai రావాలన్నాను కదా. So this is also not possible. The మిగిలింది ఏంటి ఇంకా? 29 is for Aman. So Aman is 29, then Ali is 37. If Aman is 29, then 3 years difference ఏం రావాలి? 26. Arav is 26 అయితే వీడంత రావాలి? 18 రావాలి. Then Ashu is older than Ajay అని చెప్పాడు. సో Ashu is ఎంత? 37 అయిపోయింది, 33 అయిపోయింది, 33 and remaining 21. Okay. Then this is not a chance of Mumbai. Kolkata in the case వచ్చింది. Mumbai కాదన్నాడు. And Nagpur is older than Mumbai అని చెప్పాడు. Then Mumbai, yeah, wait. So we'll go bit back. Aman is 21. Then Ali is 29. There's a 21. Arav is 18. Then this is 26. And 37 and 33. Then 18 is not a Kolkata. So this is not Kolkata, not Mumbai. This is also not Kolkata. The only chance of Kolkata. And the next one, this is not Mumbai. So this is only Mumbai. So Nagpur is older than Mumbai. So this is Nagpur. Yes, no. But not possible, no. Nagpur is older than Mumbai, no. Okay, not possible. Then go with 29 ma. Aman is 29. Then Ali is 37. Then Aman is 29. Arav is 26. This is 18. Then Ashu is older than Ajay. 33 and 21. Then Nagpur is older than Mumbai. Kolkata is not a chance for here. Kolkata ఇక్కడ కూడా చెప్పలేము, Kolkata ఇక్కడ కూడా అవ్వచ్చు. They are saying English is not Kolkata. Okay. Nagpur is older than Mumbai. If there is a take Nagpur, this is only Mumbai. Okay. ఇక్కడ నాగపూర్ తీసుకునే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు. అండ్ ఇక్కడ నాగపూర్ తీసుకునే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ నాగపూర్ తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఎవరు రావాలి? ముంబై రావాలి. అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ కోల్కతా ఇక్కడ రావాలి. కోల్కతా కాదన్నారు. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా నాగపూర్ లేదు. సో ఇక్కడ నాగపూర్ ఛాన్స్ లేదు, ఇక్కడ నాగపూర్ ఛాన్స్ లేదు. వర్త్ ఛాన్స్ ఫర్ నాగపూర్. దీస్ ఓన్లీ ఛాన్సెస్. నాగపూర్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ దెన్ ముంబై అంటే ముంబై ఇక్కడ రావాలా, ఇక్కడ రావాలా? ఎక్కడైనా రావచ్చు. బట్ ఇక్కడ ముంబై రావద్దన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ ఏంటి? ముంబై. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ రిమైనింగ్? Kolkata. That's it. Okay. So 29, 37 only. Right. Then eldest person lives in which among the following cities? Eldest person evaru? 37. Who is that? Delhi. Option D. Option D is the right answer. Next one. How many persons are younger than the person who lives in Pune? Pune is 29. 29 ka younger ఎంతమంది? 3 members. Option C. Younger. Elder కాదు అడిగింది, చిన్నవారు. Okay. Next. What is the age of the person who lives in Kolkata? What is the age? 26 years. Option B is right answer. What is the sum of the ages of Arav and Ashu? Arav is 26, Ashu is 33. Should be 9, 59. Option D is right answer. Who among the following is youngest person? 18. Who is that? Arun. Option D is right answer. Then, which of the following should be in the place of question mark? Okay. The person at which the person should be equal to G to D. So G to D, G to M is going, then M to K have to go in. The less than is equal to R is equal to. Then only chance here, less than is equal to option B. దెన్ M టు K అంటే K నుంచి Dకి వెళ్తారు. మరి M నుంచి Kకి వెళ్ళాలంటే లెస్ దెన్ ఈక్వల్ ఉండాలి కదా. దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ ఫర్ లెస్ దెన్. G నుంచి Dకి వెళ్తున్నాడా? G to S is going, S to D is going, yes. V to S and V to G is going, G to S is going, yes. R to K, R to S is going, then S to D is going, and S to M is not going. కాబట్టి M to K కూడా వెళ్ళే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. Only 1 and 2. Only 1 and 2. The 9 persons sit in a straight row facing north direction. Distance between any two adjacent persons is equal. A is second height of B. B కి సెకండ్ హైట్లో ఏం చెప్పాడు, B కి సెకండ్ హైట్లో ఏం చెప్పాడు. Less than 2 persons sit between B and G. Who is one of the extreme end? Less than 2 persons sit between B and G means 1 or 0. Yes or no? 1 or 0. Take it as 1, take it as 0. And that saying G is one of the extreme end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Then 2 persons between G and C. This case is not possible. You need to convert it to this case only. And 2 persons between G and C, this is only chances for G and C. The next, 1 person between I and E. 1 person between I and E, H is right of F. H is right of F అని చెప్పాడు కానీ ఏ రైటో చెప్పలేదు. Then 2 people between C and D. So 2 people D only chance here, 2 people D only chance here. At least 1 person between I and H. So I and E, I want 1 person, take it as I and E, take it as E and I. Okay, up to now both are same. At least 1 person is between I and H. So this is not a chance of H, only chance of H is here. Again, maybe chance of H is here, maybe chance of H is here. But the same, H is right of F. So only chance of H is here and only chance of F is here. Then H is right of F, there is no chance for F. So this case is not possible, this case only possible. Clear? Then 87. How many persons sit between I and F? How many persons here? 3 persons. Option B is right answer. How many persons sit to the right of E? How many persons? Only 1 person. Option D is right answer. How many persons sit between H and B? H and B, how many persons? 5 persons. Option C. How the number of persons between dash and dash is the lowest. So A and B, how many persons? 1 person. C and D, 2 persons. F and D, neighbors. These are the lowest. The 0 కూడా తక్కువ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. So option C is right answer. 1 person is between C and F or C and I. There is no I, so only chance of F is here. How many such pairs of letters are in the word is the organized? Come on. 15, 18, 7, 1, 14, 9, 26 and 5. 15, 16, 17, 18, no need. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, no need. 7, 8, 9, 10, no need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 pair. 14, no need. 9, no need. 26, no need. Because of more than 40, no number, no need to count. More than 9, no number, no need to count. More than 26, no number, no need to count. If you are converted numbers, it is very easy. Then come on. Go backward and follow the say. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, no need. 26, no. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 only. 14, 15, 16, 17 only. 1 not chance, 7 not chance, 18 not chance. Only 1 pair. Only 1 pair. Option D. The 93 to 97, there is 8 persons, A to H, working in a different clinical designations, medical technologist, radiology technician, dietitian, respiratory therapist, nurse and pharmacist, physician assistant and surgeon in decreasing order. The surgeon is the junior most and medical technology is the senior most. Come on, medical technologist. medical tech. Next, radiology. Next one, radiology technician kada. Okay. Next, dietitian, respiratory therapist. Sarpoda, nurse, pharmacist, physician and physician assistant and surgeon. Physician assistant and surgeon. Okay. H is immediately junior to one who is the respiratory therapist. H is immediately junior to respiratory therapist. Two components. Okay. Next. Only two persons are designation between H and F. Take that one probability, take that one probability. B is immediate senior to F. B is immediate senior to F. B is immediate senior to F is here. As many person designation between D and D is same as D and A. B and D is same as D and A. And D is should be between D and A. So B and D one person, D and A one person not possible. B and D two persons, D and A two persons only possible. So B and D two persons and two persons. If B and A one person, not possible. If B and A two persons and D and A two persons only possible. Okay. Now G is junior to E. So G is junior to E అని చెప్పాడు. అంటే G తర్వాత E తర్వాత G ఉండాలి. G is not the surgeon. So G surgeon అయితే కాదని చెప్పాడు. అంటే only chance for G and only chance for E. And GE and GE and GE. So many. C is neither dietitian nor immediately junior to A. So ఇక్కడైతే కాదు. So upper case is not possible. So C is not at all chance of here. And C is not the dietitian. Who is dietitian? So C is also not chance of here. The only chance of here and only chance of here and only chance of here. That's it. Then dash is pharmacist. C is the pharmacist. Option A. How many persons junior to G? How many persons? 5 persons. Option A. Who among the following person immediately senior to P? Immediately senior to P, sir? A. Option E. How many persons are designation between C and D? How many persons? One person. Option B. What is the designation of A? First senior most medical technologist. Option D. Option D. 98 to 100. 6 persons here. Different number of shirts. P has 4 shirts more than yes. P has 4 shirts more than yes. J has less than only M. So J is less than only M అంటే M కంటే మాత్రమే తక్కువ అండర్ కంటే ఎక్కువ అని చెప్తున్నాడు. మొత్తం ఎంత 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Q has 3 shirts more than P. Q has 3 shirts more than P. S does not have least number of shirts. I want one person. So let us fix that Q, P, S and one more person. Who is the one more person? L. The one who has the second least number of shirts has 13 shirts. With 13 అయితే P ఎన్ని 17. P 17 అయితే వీడికి ఎన్ని 20. ఎందుకంటే because of plus 4 plus 3. The difference between the Q and S is 1 less than the shirts of L. The difference between shirts of with Q and S is Q and S is 7. Is 1 less than L అంటే L is a చెప్పండి. Q and S difference is 1 less than S and L అన్నాడు. L ఎంత 8 or 6 8 అవుతాయి. ఈ 7 అనేది 1 less than దీనికంటే 1 less than అన్నాడు. సో ఇక్కడ 8 అవుతాయి. ఓకే. నో what is the sum of shirts of P and S? 17 plus 13 30. Option B. If the difference between P and S is twice the difference between the J and Q, what is the difference between P and S? 4. This is twice of J and Q. The J must be 28. Then what is how many shirts of J has? 28. Option D. Yeah, the telling difference is twice. Yeah, the difference between the difference between the P and S is twice the so come on. So there is only two. The only chance of 22. Fine, very good, ma. So option A is right answer. Option A. Right. How many persons have more chance than P? 3 persons. Option A is the right answer. Okay? Fine, ma. Thank you, Master.